which also means it's the last day of Vlogmas. If you've followed me for a long time, you know for a fact that we've never like passed day 3 in the last 3 years. I freaking made it to day 25. This video will probably go up, well, it is gonna go up after Christmas, but all the other ones will probably go up too because I don't feel like editing today. It's Christmas and I want to just spend it with family. My eyebrows are so bad. Please excuse them. But I have my coffee. I'm warm and cozy. Good morning. Merry Christmas. I hope that you are having / had a very Merry Christmas. And remember that it's not about the presents and not about the Hallmark movies and all this stuff. It's about Jesus. And Jesus coming down and God coming down as Jesus to the world as a baby and redeeming the world. Just gotta keep thinking about that because I can get really salty on Christmas. But yes, hello. We're about to cook. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm so ready. Okay. Give me a second. Since this you're gonna hear my grandma interjecting things because we're playing Christmas music and she likes Christmas music. Do you see her? That's her. What? So we are making our macaroni casserole. I sang this one time. It was really bad. I'm so sorry you had to hear that. But this one time I did choir and I got to sing the song. And it was actually good when I did it then because it was warmed up and knew my range. Now, not so much. But it's okay. Sorry, I'm like really hyper. Okay. So we have 4 boxes of the Kraft mac and cheese dinner. The cheesiest. Yeah. So basically what you do is prepare the macaroni like you usually do, but I have a big pot and we're just gonna all put them inside. I think this is enough water. If you saw it, great. We have to boil the water, so let that boil. While we're doing that, let's talk. So what did y'all get for Christmas? Leave a comment below. I am trying to now it's too dark. Love that for me. Okay. We're boiling the water. And it actually stinks in my kitchen because we're making the ham and the juices from the ham keep spilling out and burning. What is burning? Okay, so we're gonna get the other ingredients. We're gonna get the butter and milk. Bam! Okay, so we're using the Hill Country spread and this Oak Farms dairy that I got last night because I bought Oreos. Also, I didn't get to show you guys what else I got. So we got the finely shredded Mexican blend. Yeah, cheese. Love that. I'm gonna open it because I kind of want some cheese. Are you a cheese person? Let me know in the comments below. I'm not the most cheese person. I was looking for my phone. It's right here. Oh, I'm not the most cheese person. I'm not the kind of person that will just go get a block of cheese and eat it. No. But I know people like that, and I'm like, do your thing, baby boo. Those water takes forever to boil. Oh, this song is sad. Oh. This is our stirring spoon. So I'm gonna open each box. Why can't I find you? I have you gone away. Where is the magic? distribute well. So I will come back in 6 to 7 minutes. So 7 to 8 minutes. So you just don't hear me sing badly. Goodbye! Also, I just want to talk real quick how it's like not even hot outside. Like not even a little bit. Like it's like 76 degrees. Excuse me. What? So what you just saw, that clip, was from my aunt's house who lives next door. That's where like all of my family are right now. I'm over at my own house. This is what my house looks like. Little Christmas tree. We'll be over here later tonight, but they're opening presents over there, their own presents that the mama and daddies bought them. And I am cooking over here. Oh, almost fell over. I'm next. It's ready. With every Christmas card I write. Wow, it's hot. Okay, so on one box it says 1/4 cup. This is 1/4 cup for each thing. So we're just gonna put a lot of milk is what we've decided. Great.
What is it you want?
Y'all, I put the like extra cheese. Bro, like just look at the, oh, I'm dying. The cheesiness is killing me. So now we got the casserole dish. And so the way we're doing it today is we're gonna put mac and cheese, then cheese, and then mac and cheese, and then extra cheese. And then you get it, you got it, great, watch. Look at that. Look at, oh, I'm so excited, bro. It's about to be so good. About to pop it in the oven. Great time. This was so funny. Time to clean up my workspace and probably go next door. Update, it's 4 o'clock. I'm so hungry. So, like, I'm about to pass out hungry. Hopefully we eat soon. So, it's always the holidays. Always. Y'all listen to music. Turn around. Jingle bell, jingle bell. What are you guys doing? Oh my god! Hey, chill out. It's dashing through the snow, not jingle bells, okay?
Here.
I'm so hungry. It's almost 6 o'clock.
Okay, mama. If I want to say something to everybody.
The best part about Christmas being next door to your house is you can come home and take a nap.
I never get what I
Let her in. You want to go get her? You want to go get her? Oh, don't you grunt at me. Hello. Hello. I already took them outside.